I'm growing up with the work, growing up with the exhibition. It's all very testimonial to me and my personal journey. Having been diagnosed with BPD, not to be confused with bipolar disorder, but borderline personality disorder is what I was diagnosed with. Habits for trichotillomania, which is pulling hair from the body excessively. Self-inflicting pain, suicidal attempts, being hospitalized. All of that informs the work, informs the artwork. So it's very testimonial to my experience first and my evolution from, say, victim to advocate, but also to inspire, anyone else who is secretly dealing. Because for a long time, since my childhood, I was secretly dealing, again, because I didn't have that language or vocabulary to identify what the hell I was dealing with. I thought it was just my normal. Until I got on that Fox interview and I declared it to the world, what I've been dealing with. And then lo and behold, out of the woodworks, my family members were like, oh, I had this, or your great aunt had that. And I was like, it's a mighty fine time to learn this now, but it took for, me being brave. And for a long time I was being called brave, and I didn't own it myself yet. So I was like, I'm not brave. I'm just getting it out another way, but now I claim it. I own bravery. But it takes, I've learned from my personal experience that it takes that one brave, courageous person to say, hey, I'm dealing with this, for other people to follow suit and say, hey, I'm dealing with this too. This is how this is how I've healed. This is how I am healing, how I'm learning ways to heal. And not just through art. I'm an advocate for therapy. I've been in therapy now going on 3 years this September.
Yeah, congrats.
Am I adding a year? I don't know, 2 or 3 years. I love her though. She's the best. And yeah, so, those are, and of course my honoring the Most High. I all of those things contribute to my evolution as an artist, as a woman, as an advocate for mental health. All of that matters. So